Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to talk about SSL Hybrid Advanced Indicator in the TradingView. First of all, we go to the indicator list and write the name and find it, and after that we go to the settings. Only we need 3 of all options. As you can see in the settings, we go to the style tab, and after that only we keep 3 of them. Also I will write the name, the indicator, and this option in the description of this video. You can find it easily in YouTube. Also you can see here signals for buy and sell and the moving average. Please make forward test and back test for yourself and check it with your personal strategy. You can use it simply. You can use it in all time frames, all forex indexes, your USD, gold, everything, bitcoins, cryptocurrencies. And this is one of the best indicators in my opinion. Also personally I use it always, also for confirmation and check with my personal strategy. Okay. Also please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and also press the bell, and don't forget, please ask me any questions. I will answer in short period of time, and best wishes for you and good luck. Thank you for watching this video.